the learners. Good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform, Moodle at l'Université Ali University Oblida 2. Today we going to present our sixth lecture titled Cryptocurrency. So I have divided my sixth lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is or what does cryptocurrency mean? What are the different main types of cryptocurrency? Language activities, how to use headed, and finally, using our different types of assessment. What does cryptocurrency mean, or what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without the centralized authority of a bank or government. So, cryptocurrency is a digital that is meant to be a medium of exchange. Second element, kinds of cryptocurrencies or main types of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency then removes all the problems of modern banking. There are no limits to the funds you can transfer. Your accounts cannot be hacked, and there is no central point of failure. In 2018, there are more than 1,600 cryptocurrencies available. Some popular ones are Bitcoin, Litecoin, and etc. Third element, language activities. How to use headed. It shows that you were in charge of a company. Typically means that someone has appointed you as the head of a company, meaning that they trust your leadership qualities. According to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, is to be in charge of a group or organization. For examples, Farid headed the organization for a while. Amin headed the business while it was still in early years. Finally, Attaf asked Amin to head the company from afar. Finally, please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.